Winter is coming. Well, not yet, but you know, as they say, patch your roof before rain begins. Now, when the workshop is done, I've got a cozy little nook to sit with my laptop. One problem though, it's quite open, and when the cold creeps in, I will be exposed to every possible shiver. So I thought, what about room divider? It could trap some warm air from the heater, it could be a very nice background while I'm filming here, and also it could help with reducing echo, very multifunctional. Even with all these noble purposes, I couldn't bring myself to buy a new one. I browsed a lot of second-hand options, but these ones that I like, they were quite pricey, and hardly any offered a home delivery, and they were placed in like different end of the island. Then, on one scorching day, my friend and I escaped to IKEA for some air conditioning, as you do, and I spotted this mate. It's called Tolkning, and, well, which reminded me of Tolkien, so obviously I felt a bond. Now, I think you can see through some obvious drawbacks, apart from price. But lucky me, its brother was half price in last chance section. By the way, I highly recommend venturing to this part of IKEA, even though it's placed at the very end of IKEA labyrinth, and you're probably already tired, but it's on purpose. Don't give in. Fight the system. The price was fixed, but what about a see-through? So I decided to make a cover. The frame is actually quite user-friendly because it's easy to tie fabric to it, and the divider becomes a real divider. So my plan is to cover just one side. That way, from inside, I will be enjoying this gorgeous rattan texture, but from outside, it will give a little bit of privacy, warmth, and maybe some floral pattern to the room. But what to use though? Curtains. That means charity shops. If my measurements are correct, that will be more than enough. Plus, they have lining, so this is great for me as well. Unfortunately, they don't have any floral pattern, nothing, no embroidering, but I have some ideas how to fix it as well. Let's get sewing! I've sewn along the edges before cutting because I don't want to fabric to move or to shrink or to wrinkle. I want these two layers to treat like one. And also don't worry about the edges because I will be covering them anyway with some cotton tape. Now it seems like a block nose is my new personality trait. Did you know that you could add this medium into acrylic paint and transform it into fabric paint? Well, probably majority of you live in civilization. Well, I didn't. So, wow! I want to treat these 3 pieces as a triptych. So that's why I didn't add any bias tape to the edges, because I want them to be close as possible when I will draw on them. And then after that I will cover the edges. So I'm going to use acrylics with this thing, with this medium, but I don't have a design yet. I have a sense of design, but not exactly. I finished transferring the design and it's time to paint. I need to mix right now colors that I want to use. And also it will be 1:1 ratio mix with this medium, which is great for me because it doubles the size of paint. Of course, I used acrylic on the fabric before, but without medium. I remember I painted Daria from the cartoon. Oh boy, she was crunchy. So the bottle said that I need to iron it after it's completely dried, to put a cloth between iron and fabric. Let's see how it will turn out. I'm amused with myself. IKEA, if you like the idea, call me. There are a lot of rattan room dividers out there, not just IKEA ones, and I hope this project will help you with not so well thought through purchase. Anyway, let's see how it's holding up through winter. Cheers! But lucky me, but lucky me, but lucky me.